for a newborn. If you want the bigger, just continue knitting till it's 5 inches. So this is just binding off, just a regular bind off. This is how I bind off, just a regular. Knit 2 together, slip it to the, knit 2 together, slip it, and no sewing, nothing required. Okay. And this is how it looks like. Double, oops, sorry, double knitting. Ta-da! Just cut that oh, I'm using this is like over 86 scissors. I should get rid of it. It's not even cutting well, and I keep on using it. It's habits, right? And then I'm just gonna poke this and weave, oops, weave this end. I don't like yarn. Just weave it. Ta-da! And this is how you knit double knitting. I hope you like this short tutorial. I just wanted to give you an idea because I'm going to be doing the tutorial on how to knit these mittens and the thumb that I have used. So I just wanted to show you how it's done. I just think this is a giant thumb. But it's a mitten. Okay, for a baby. So I thought, why not? Just to show you, and then put this as a giveaway gift when someone purchases one of my blankets. We'll make the other pair. And yeah, so I hope you like this tutorial, and I will be making more tutorials as it comes up. It's a surprise thing. I don't plan these tutorials, and just wanted to share it with you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy knitting!